this potential is really opening up a new avenue of processing for industry.
They would taste just as good, they would last much longer, they would therefore be safer on the shelf, and no children would become ill.
Today, there is no cleaner solution out there to removing coatings.
As a microbiologist, rewarding to see that this technology can get rid of very, very serious foodborne pathogens.
Everywhere, every day. A bold claim, but look around. Every day you touch something that was touched by ultra-high pressure, and that means Flow International probably had a hand in it. For over 30 years, Flow has been the world leader in harnessing the power of ultra-high pressure water. For surface preparation, water is pressurized to 50,000 pounds per square inch. For cutting, it's 87,000 psi. And for food safety applications, the pressure can be more than 100,000 psi. That's about like having 266 Boeing 747 airliners on your shoulder. Flow is committed to provide total solutions to its worldwide core markets. Cutting metals and advanced composites, preparing surfaces and removing tough coatings, automating manufacturing operations, and developing multi-process machining centers for international automotive and aerospace giants who specify total solution suppliers like Flow. Slitting tissue, diapers, and non-woven materials for paper companies that demand round-the-clock reliability and dust-free, worker-safe cutting. Cutting, milling, and drilling materials ranging from glass to aluminum to stone for small job shops and multi-billion-dollar metal service centers. Water jets have become the fastest-growing machine tool technology because they reduce operating costs, increase productivity, and are more versatile than any other process. Removing paint and coatings in the marine and industrial contracting markets, which demand environmentally safe, economically viable surface preparation applications. And making food safer by destroying harmful microorganisms with fresher under pressure food safety technology. Flow is organized for local efficiency and global synergy. That means the company's sales, engineering, and manufacturing facilities in 14 countries are clustered around centers of excellence in the Americas, Europe, and Asia. By combining the experience of the world's top ultra-high pressure scientists and engineers with the marketing savvy and cultural sensitivity of in-country experts, Flow gives its customers the best of all worlds, products with global appeal and local support. It's that kind of leadership that has produced nearly every UHP technology breakthrough since 1982. Hundreds of patents that lead to the most reliable equipment and the highest customer satisfaction record of any UHP company. Products that continually raise the bar, such as the first remote-controlled surface preparation tool, the HydroCat, and the WMC, offering the highest cutting pressures, now up to 87,000 psi. So Flow customers get the lowest operating cost and fastest cut speed of any water jet cutting system, anywhere, any day. Flow's UHP technology continues to advance productivity all around the world, and now it's poised to increase the safety of food on every table. With fresher under pressure, food producers will have the confidence they are producing safer products with a longer shelf life than ever before possible, and consumers are assured of fresh, wholesome foods. With fresher under pressure, harmful pathogens such as Listeria, E. coli, Salmonella, and Vibrio vulnificus in seafood are destroyed. With fresher under pressure, nothing is added to the food, and nothing about the food quality is changed. That's why 7 out of 10 consumers surveyed embrace it, particularly compared to controversial treatments such as chemicals and irradiation. And unlike heat pasteurization, fresher under pressure is non-thermal, so fresh foods retain the nutritional and sensory characteristics that consumers love.
Flow did very well. We're more than happy, and we look forward to a longer-term relationship.
So the next time you ride in a car or plane, change a diaper or read a newspaper, drink some juice or eat a ham sandwich, think of Flow International. Everywhere, every day, the world leader in ultra-high pressure solutions.
I've been in business myself all my life, and basically this is simply the most exciting thing that I've ever done.